So I just wear it there, and then I have this ring. But I read that their quality of bags was a little different. Oh, she's beautiful. Hello, it's Shae again, back for another video. I'm actually visiting my dad in Georgia right now, so the setup looks a little different, but anyways, I am here to show you guys a few pieces that I got from the Coach outlet recently. But if you're new here, I do videos on locks, home decor, lifestyle, luxury handbags, which I just recently posted a few videos about those. So anyway, I just want to show you a few pieces that I got from the Coach outlet recently. The first one is this little bracelet here, and I think it might be sold out now, but I will still try to put it on the screen, the name of it. It's a nice little bracelet. It's thick. I think it only ran me about $30. It was really inexpensive. It has a little clasp so you can unhook it and then you just hook it back in like that. Hope it's focusing, but it has the little CCs on it for Coach, and then it also has these little faux diamonds or whatever they are, right? And then on the inside it has the Coach inscription, so hopefully that's coming through and you can see that really well. So I just wear it. I wear it with some more bracelets. Like this bracelet I got from an estate sale. It's vintage. So I just wear it there. And then I have this ring that my sister got for me at an estate sale too. But anyway, this is how I wear it with my other, like jewelry. So. All right, the next item that I got from Coach was this handbag that I'm gonna do a little unbagging for you. It actually came in a box, just a regular brown box, and I threw it in my suitcase before we got on the airplane to come down here. So I was wanting a red handbag for a long time. I looked at one at Coach. I can't remember the name of it, but it was sold out before I could get it. So I'm like, okay. This one came up and I saw it. I said, let me go ahead and get this bag because I just feel like I need a nice red bag in my wardrobe. So anyway, I'm just tearing up the bag here. But anyway, it says Coach New York on the bag. Like I said before, it came in just a plain brown box. I ordered it online. Oh, it's pretty. It's a baguette. Oh, look at that. So it's a nice little baguette. And it comes with this strap. What really caught my eye was the strap. Now I want to say online that this strap might have been a different color. I'll have to go back and look, and I'll probably try to put the picture there if it still shows online. But that's okay, because I have another strap that I'm going to show you guys that I got from Amazon that I might interchange with this one. So let me just show this to you really quickly. So they made sure to wrap up the strap really well. Now I read online recently that Coach outlet, I read that their quality of bags was a little different than the regular Coach store. Do you guys know that to be true? I have bags from the Coach store and I also have bags from Coach outlet, and to me they're pretty much the same. You know what? So if I do interchange the strap, it may not work as well, or it may not look as expensive, shall I say. And I'll show you my other strap in a minute. I'm not gonna take off all the little plastic, well, yes I can, because it's not gonna be that much. I was gonna say, I'm not gonna take it all off just to save time, but I think I can do it, so. Okay, so this said it regular retailed for $328, but I got it for $131. And here it is. Here she is. Oh, she's beautiful. I like her. I think this was a great purchase. Let me show you guys the inside really quick. I have my phone here so I can show you what fits in here. Okay, so of course, all the paper, you take all the paper out. And so this is the inside of it. There's one pocket on the inside. So there's one pocket on the inside. and then you just have that room. So it definitely be good enough for a phone. I'm sure if you had a wallet, like this is a good size, you guys. This is a really good size. And then the strap, what I'm loving about this strap is the detail on it. So look at that detail. It's very, very pretty. And then of course you have the little clasp here that you put to connect it. You have the little Coach tag, which I always take off. Like I don't love those too much, so I'll take that off. And then on the inside you have the little Coach little instruction thing that just says to clean it with Coach leather cleaner and then condition it with Coach leather moisturizer, which I don't have any of and I need to purchase some. All right, so this is the purse. Once again, this is the front, this is the back. So what I was going to do, I was saying sometimes if I didn't want to wear this color strap, I could interchange it with this one. So I got this one on Amazon. This is just like a regular strap. I could interchange it and just hook it like this. I'll have to kind of cut the other one off. But I could hook it like this if I wanted a different color, right? So we could wear it with either one. But this one, of course, is more expensive because it has like the little leather strap and all that on it. So that is all that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, to comment, to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.